Welcome to Life at Hacks. Is your Android phone slowing down or warning you that your storage is almost full? Don't panic. Today I'm going to show you two quick settings to free up space instantly on Android 15 without losing your important data. I will walk you through step by step. So even if you are not tech savvy, you can do this in minutes. Let's start with the smartest storage trick built right into Android 15. Number 1 settings. Archive unused apps. Open settings on your Android phone. Tap on apps. Choose any app you rarely use. Look for archive and tap it. This feature removes the app from your phone but keeps all your data safe. If you ever want to use it again, you just tap to restore it. Setting 2. Clear junk files on Android. To clear junk files on Android, navigate to Settings, Apps, select the app you want to clear cache for, tap Storage, tap Clear Cache. This is especially useful for apps like Instagram, TikTok, or Chrome that store a lot of temporary files. There you go, your phone should now feel lighter, faster, and more spacious. Which of these tips gave you the most storage back? Drop your number in the comments. If you want more quick Android tips like this, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Your phone will thank you. See you in the next one.